So these are my first impressions and review of the NAMTSO 10-gallon produce bag. As you can see, I have one here. I transplanted some basil over there. It is looking really good. It's a lot taller than some of the other bags I've had from other products. You can see there some of my other bags. This is a lot taller, which I think is a lot better for some plants. Maybe not for basil, but for others. This one right here has 3 holes at the bottom, which is really useful. Good drainage, a couple holes on the sides, and then the flap here, the Velcro flap for potatoes, which I actually do not have any potatoes right now, but it looks really good. You can see here with dirt on it, it kind of keeps everything compacted. You can kind of check your roots if you ever need to. So yeah, this is a great product so far. I'm excited to see it running for the rest of the summer.